What's going on, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website called Alfaleads, and you're wondering maybe, is this a legitimate website, right? Can you make money from this? Can you pick good products from this? How does this actually work? Let's check this all out, right? At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of strategies online to make money. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, are big waste of time. So let's check out Alfaleads to find out whether this is a good way for you to make money online, or maybe there are better strategies out there. All right, now Alfaleads is basically an affiliate network, right? So you can come to Alfaleads as anybody, whether you have experience or no experience, and you can sign up right here, all right, from anywhere in the world, and you can pick from their list of products in order for you to resell. And when somebody buys through your link, you make a commission. This is called affiliate marketing, right? Now, very easy for you to get set up here. You would just go to affiliates, and once you click on affiliates, there's going to be a bit more information. You're going to have to sign up, but I would recommend that you run through this a little bit so you understand exactly what you're getting into. What you need to understand is the verticals that they focus on, all right? Now, every single affiliate marketing network is different. They recommend or have a list of different niches, different industries, what they call verticals, right? And Alfaleads is very specialized in the iGaming, the sports, the gambling, and the esports verticals. All right, so if you don't have an email list or you don't have a follower base that is in these types of niches, so they're not interested in casinos, or they're not interested in gambling, they're not interested in iGaming, they're not interested in esports, then this is not going to be the right affiliate network for you. All right, now if you're just getting started and you don't even have a following, you don't have an email list, don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly the best strategy at the end of this video for you to still generate $5,000 to $10,000 a month minimum, okay? But let's first come back here so that you understand exactly how this works, right? So these are the verticals that they specialize in, right? Now, in order for you to get signed up, you can just head over here and just click on become a partner, right? Fill in the details, and they will get back in touch with you, right? So just your first name, your last name, your email, your password, how did you hear about us, right? And you can get started that way, and they'll show you the steps right here as well. Okay, sign up, choose an offer, start an advertising campaign, and they pay out. All right, so they have CPA offers, CPL offers, and CPS offers. They have rev share. They have a few different types of offers. CPA just means that when somebody buys the product, you get a specific action price, okay, cost per action. CPL means you generate them a lead, they will pay you for every lead that you generate. CPS is cost per sale. Every time you generate a sale, they will pay you a specific commission. Rev share, you share revenue directly with the actual offer itself or the product creator, right? Minimum of $30 for you to get paid out. They pay out in many different ways, and they pay out weekly, every 14 days, and every 30 days. Pretty standard stuff for a good affiliate marketing network. Now, they've got very good support. You know, they've had great reviews. So if you are in the iGaming, the gambling, the casino, or the esports niche, you've got a following, then Alfaleads would be a pretty cool affiliate network for you to check out. Okay, let me just show you some of the offers that they have. So for example, like Valor Casino, this is one of the offers that they have. It's basically, these are gambling strategies, okay, or gambling games or casino games, right? So you can advertise it in whatever way you want. You can use pop-ups, banners, your own sales funnel, your own email list. But a lot of them are kind of like this, okay? Cash Win is another one, right? So they're casino games essentially, right? Sweepstakes, gambling games, things like that, right? So if you have the right list for this, then this could be pretty good. And this is how much you can earn specifically for that specific offer, right? So this might be that they have to do something specific. So 160 euros, that would mean that they would probably need to do something specific, maybe put their credit card and spend a certain amount of money, and then you make 160 euros, right? This one right here, $30, again, slightly different. It depends on the offer, right? Every single offer is a little bit different, and it really depends on exactly what they require for that acquisition, okay? Each of them will have different countries that they're targeting as well for the offers, so you can slowly go through the information if you would like to. But this is a global thing, right? This offer specifically is for Kazakhstan, which is interesting, right? But they're not all like that, right? Some of them are different. This one is gambling. This is Austria and Germany, right? Specifically, so it really depends on the offers that you pick, but they've got global offers as well, which is pretty cool. Okay, so here's what I would say. I would say Alfaleads is a really good affiliate marketing network if you already have a following in these spaces: iGaming, gambling, casino, esports. If you're not an influencer, if you don't have an email list, if you don't have a following that's interested in any of these verticals or these niches, then Alfaleads is not going to be a good place for you to pick products, right? Because they're very specific. Every single affiliate marketing network specializes in different things, different verticals, and these are the verticals that Alfaleads specializes in. Now, if you're a beginner, all right, this might not be the best strategy for you, because the problem with affiliate networks like Alfaleads is they don't really teach you how to market their products well. Right? You already need to either come with experience and knowledge on how to promote specific verticals in the affiliate marketing space, or you should already be an influencer. You've got a following. You can just kind of tap in and say, hey guys, I've got a great offer right here. If you want to play this sweepstakes game or this casino game, check it out. And then it's very easy for you to generate profits that way, right? So I would say if you're experienced and you're in one of those verticals, great affiliate network to check out, alfaleads.net, right? But if you're here as a beginner, don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly how you can still generate income online. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of strategies to make money on the internet. Some are really good, some are so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time. But if you're a beginner, I still think that out of all of the strategies, the best way is a very specific strategy that allows you to go from zero. Maybe you have no experience online, you've never made money online, go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And the way that you do that is I've got a free masterclass that will show you step by step if you're interested. Just click the link below and I'll share that masterclass with you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Alfaleads. Check it out if you want, alfaleads.net, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.